Hi everyone, welcome to Mechanics of Music. My name's Caitlin. Today we're going to learn the song Handle with Care by the Traveling Wilburys. Nothing too complicated in here. A few little fancy things we can do, but if you want to keep it simple, we can do that too. So grab your guitar, make sure it's in tune. You can download the chords and the lyrics below, and let's get going. Alright, first cool thing about this song is, number one, we don't need very many chords. We need our G chord. As always, you can do G with one finger here, two fingers here, you can do it with the pinky. This one's good because we do go to G7 at one point. Again, we have C. You can do the C that looks like the G. You can do the stretchy C. I'm going to use both in this song. It really just depends where I'm coming to, where I'm going to or where I'm coming from. That's how I decide what C to use. We've got our D chord, and at one point we're going to add our pinky here to make it a D sus4 chord. And we have E minor, first and second finger, second and third finger, make your choice, it doesn't matter to me. Then we have B7, all the fingers. Alright. The song in general, the strumming pattern we're going to use is down, down, up, down. But a lot of times we don't actually have time for the full pattern. So what we're going to wind up doing is just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So the first two chords are D and then C, and we change those chords sort of quickly. So we're going to do down, down, up on D, then we're going to switch to C, down, down, up, then we go to G, down, down, up, down, up. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Sometimes I add in a few little extra strums just to give it a little bit of boost. I just finished playing a show at I was just like the background musician lady at this gallery thing. And I played these songs, and I mostly play them like 2 times in a row just to kill time. But I add in a lot of just really fancy little, well, not even fancy, it's not fancy at all, it's just a few extra ups and downs. So instead of just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, I'm going to add in down, up. So you can try to toss that in. If it's too much for you, don't do it. Sometimes I like to add just a little bit of percussive stuff with my strumming. So when I'm doing, instead of just really open, so that would be really wide open strums. Instead I'm doing a little bit of palm muting to get a bit of on the G chord. The E minor chord in the verse, that actually changes on the up strum. So it's going to be on an and beat. It's going to be, if we're on the C, let's do verse 1. You're the best thing that I've ever found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So it's on the and beat that we're switching to that E minor. And it's really cool, and you can kind of give it a little bit of a minor whooshy sound. When we're coming out of the chorus, put your body next to mine and dream on. I'm going to add my little pinky there to go to the sus chord. Put your body next to mine and dream on. In the bridge, I'm so tired, the Roy Orbison part. I don't think they actually do this in the song, but again, when I play by myself, just me and my guitar, and I sing and play, I like to add in some few little things like this. And I like to push that D chord just a little bit early. So instead of just, I'm so tired of being lonely, I still have some love to give. I'm going to move that D chord up half a beat. And it's going to sound like, I'm so tired of being lonely, I still have some love to give. So I put the D on the up strum. Oh, last cool thing. So many cool things. There's a little riff that I think the guitar is doing. You can do your D, C, G. So that's just a G note here, third G note. Third fret of your E string, and then the open A, second fret of the A string, B, G, A, B, and then you go to your D chord. And then I'm going to strum my D chord. So I'll probably do that maybe in the intros and sort of the solo parts. I'm not going to do it every time, it's a little bit much. So all those little tiny things are what make your playing a bit more interesting than just ups and downs and chords. Okay, we're going to play it together. This is my third take of doing this, but I kept speeding up because I just want to rock out. So I've got this metronome now, and I've got it in my ear. Got it at 110, and it's kind of a cool little kick snare thing. 1, 2, 3. That's going to keep us on beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So play along with this video. Let me know if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share it with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video.